Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. Today I have such a cute mani for you guys. I have been wanting to do a cherry blossom inspired mani for so long, and I've finally done it. And I really enjoyed this mani. If you like nail art or anything nail art related, please consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to look down and see that little bell. Click on that so you know when I upload new content to the channel. So, let's get started. Now here you can see I put one too many flowers. We're going to fix that. And that is why I am an advocate of making sure you put on a top coat before you stamp. Because if you make a mistake, you can easily correct it. I tell you what, you guys, I really enjoyed this mani. I did not want to take this one off. I got so many compliments. Let me know what you think of this mani. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like nail art or anything nail art related, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Don't forget to pump up those likes. And I'll see you in the next video. Remember to allow the magic to take hold and watch the magic appear.